So today's video is all going to be about interview in the WBPSC or West Bengal Public Service Commission, and more specifically this I'm making this video with regard to West Bengal Audit and Account Service examination. Hello everybody, I am Remedios Fernandez and I'm again back with a new video. Hope all of you are doing well, and I'm sorry that I could not upload a video for a long time. There's been a gap with this particular thing. So today's video is all going to be about interview in the WBPSC or West Bengal Public Service Commission, and more specifically this I'm making this video with regard to West Bengal Audit and Account Service examination. So there's a new list of candidates that have been called for West Bengal Audit and Account Service exams. Previously, I received also a lot of messages about other exams, but I did not have time, so I could not make it up. And I'm trying to make this video with respect to the upcoming interviews of West Bengal Public Service Commission, and I'm very much hopeful that this video is actually going to help you in the longer run. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So before I begin with the discussion of this video, let me tell you, when you're going to appear for an interview, যখন আপনারা একটা ইন্টারভিউর জন্য যাবেন, you should be mentally prepared. With the COVID situation in mind, the interview pattern is actually going to change. It is going to be something like an online interview, but online interview is not the future. So with time, I'm pretty sure you're going to also have this manual interview again back in process. So the few upcoming interviews are actually going to be in an online mode. So before you begin with those preparations, you have to keep in mind that you need to have a stable network connection, because without it, an online interview cannot be conducted. So what sort of decorum you should maintain when you are actually going to sit for an interview? First of all, you need to know the service that you're actually going to give the interview for. Suppose if you are going for West Bengal Audit and Account Service, or you're going to go for West Bengal Civil Service or any interview, first you should know who is giving you the appointment, which department, which ministry is going to control you. So that is something which is very much essential. If you don't have any basic records about your service, then I'm very sorry to say you're actually going to create a negative impact on the mind of the interviewer. Actually, is going to going to question you. So this is the basic part. Then you have to remember everything from the notification to exams, whatever subjects you have selected. Main stress should be given on optionals. Whatever subject you have selected for optional paper ta khub bhalo kore nebe. Next comes your question on hobbies. Hobbies should be very clear. You should be fixed ki amar ei hobbies ache, then this should be. Remember, many people select hobbies like fishing. Many people select hobbies like cooking. So they believe that this sort of limited subject will actually help you. No, it is not going to help you. তোমার যেটা ভালো লাগে, তুমি যেটা জানো, whatever you know, you should actually express yourself. For me, I selected traveling, and there's a whole lot of questions that can come from traveling. So that is something which is actually going to help you. But before you begin an interview, you have to understand there are panelists in an interview. Centermost position, there is the senior chairperson is actually going to head. It can be a male or a female or whatever. Then there are other panelists as well. They're going to be eminent professors. They're going to be some head of the institution. Some are going to be part of senior service members. So they're all going to be important people. So there's nobody who is of a subordinate rank. So when you enter into the examination hall, now suppose if you log in, please learn to greet all the individuals. Suppose when I entered, I remember I opened the door and straight posture. Your posture speaks a lot. So ekdom straight focus of mind, nothing rubbish, nothing wrong, direct. May I come in? Then they will call you, and when they called you, I said, and I did not take my seat. I just waited for them to tell me, please sit down. So then I will sit down, and then they will tell me, please start. Or in that case, they said me, please tell about yourself. Please introduce. about yourself in a short 1 or 2 minutes. So they gave me that time. So within 1 or 2 minutes, I spoke about myself. My name is Remedios Fernandez. I am from this place. I did my schooling from here. My father is this. My mother is this. I have a younger sibling. I did my college from this place. I did it in this year. I appeared for this exam, and then I'm sitting over here. So this is the basic trend. This is the basic question that they're going to ask you. So this should be prepared. এবার ইন্টারভিউটা কোন ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে দেবে? It can be English or it can be Bengali. But since you are going to be an officer, they will definitely try and see if you know English nicely. Suppose in case if you are not from an English background or a Bengali background, they will inquire about your Hindi background. So definitely you have to be very serious with it. But English and Bengali and Hindi, you have to know actually 3 languages at par, because all the 3 languages are actually equally important in the service sector. So that is one of the basic criteria. And after that, supposedly for candidates who are from Hindi background, they have to actually sign a declaration, and the declaration states that you know Bengali, because if somebody doesn't know Bengali, then they are actually going to face a lot of trouble. The only exemption for Bengali non-Bengali candidates are actually for the candidates of the hill region. Those are from the hill, or those are mainly from Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Karshiong, and the Duars region. Those candidates are actually exempted. Basis is about a special special provision that is actually given to them. Also also candidates who are actually of Tibetan descent, who are actually residing in West Bengal. So these candidates are actually given an exemption. But once they have cleared the service, they will actually again have to sit for Bengali exam. So those people who are actually appearing for the exams, you have to know Bengali at any class. Suppose you know little bit also, but you have to prove to them that you can read in Bengali, you can speak in Bengali. That is the basic thing that you actually have to understand. So, no ability to read and write and speak in Bengali is a very essential element. They can even ask you to read a passage in Hindi also or English also. So for me, my interview lasted for a very short span of time. I entered and I spoke in English. Actually, basically, I did not speak anything in Bengali. So my interview lasted for 5 minutes, and that was my personal experience. And when you are entering into the hall, or when you're sitting for the interview, make sure you're focused, because each and every body movement, each and every hand movement is noticed. There's a psychologist who's actually going to analyze it, and they're going to give you marks. So there's a total of 200 marks in the interview, and out of 200 marks, try to score at least 80 to 100, because toppers in this exam actually score between that level. There's a very less possibility of scoring more than 100 marks in this particular interview. So that is something which has to be very clear. তোমাদেরকে খুব সিরিয়াস থাকতে হবে, কারণ 80 থেকে 100 নম্বর তোমার টার্গেট মনে রাখতে হবে যে এটা একটা যদি আমি তুলতে পারি। সো এটা এখন ডিপেন্ড করে প্যানেলিস্টরা থাকবে, ওরা নিজেদের স্কোর দেবে, বাট ট্রাই টু win everything whatever you can. Supposedly there are the mains the stress. Suppose for me, I am a BCom honors graduate, তো আমি আমার BCom এর সাবজেক্ট গুলো খুব ভালো করে দেখে গেছিলাম. So graduation subject is something which you have to be very serious with it. Plus তুমি যদি কোনো কাজ, suppose those candidates who are actually coming from any other work background, suppose কেউ অন্য চাকরি থেকে এখানে আসছো, you have to make it sure that you know everything about your work background, because that is actually going to affect you, and that is something which is very much essential. After that, তুমি যে অপশনাল সাবজেক্ট নিয়েছো, প্লিজ প্রিপেয়ার নাইসলি your optional subjects, accountancy, costing, যেরকম for WBA, you should prepare everything. Next comes general knowledge and current affairs. ভালো করে মনে রাখার চেষ্টা করবে, and be prompt and serious. Like suppose তুমি যদি জিজ্ঞেস করো, যখন for me like they asked a question, you like to travel a lot? I said yes sir, আমাকে খুব ঘুরতে ভালো লাগে. তো they said me, আচ্ছা বলো তো, তুমি যখন দীঘাতে যাচ্ছিলে বাইক নিয়ে, তুমি খড়গপুর বলছি, তুমি যখন ওই কোলাঘাট পার করছিলে, ওখানে কোন নদী ছিল? So I said কোলাঘাট, and I remember yes there was a river, but in that heat of that moment I actually forgot the name of the river. After I could not recollect. So I could not drag it, so I said, "Sir, আমি ভুলে গেছি, আমার নামটা মনে নেই." So it was like, "Sir, I forgot it. I don't remember the name of that river." And then he said me, "Rupnarayan, কি ঘুরেছো?" So these things are actually going to happen. There are going to be a lot of counter questions. And suppose if you're uncomfortable with any question, if you don't like any question, if you don't know, then say, "Sir, I don't know about this." Don't linger on. It's not possible for a single individual to know each and everything. And supposedly in my case, like I remember very nicely, আমাকে ইকোনমিক্স থেকে কোশ্চেন করা হচ্ছিল, and I said, "Sir, economics is not my subject. I did not prepare because economics was not in my optional papers." Then he said me, "But in your class 12 you had economics in your college." I said, "Yes, but that is actually of a basic level. It's not up to the mark for a service level, so I did not prepare it well also." So that should be the level of confidence when you're actually speaking. তো যেটা জানো না, যেটা তোমার অপশনালে ছিল না, সেটা ইন্টারভিউয়ারকে ভালো করে বলে দেবে যে দিস ইজ সামথিং। ডোন্ট ফাইট, ডোন্ট শাউট, or don't say in a very but say in a good voice. And I remember the interviewer smiled at me and nodded his head. See, যারা তুমি those are actually going to apply for West for Ordinary Account Service, you're actually going to be officers, and you actually have to take tough decisions. So the interview is actually also a tough place, and you actually have to keep in mind that you actually have to say what is wrong. So this was all basic things. These are all basic aspects that you have to study. Now when the day when you're actually sitting for the exam, you actually need to know a few basic things. Daily read the newspapers. So before like যেদিনকে এক্সাম হবে, প্লিজ রিড দ্য নিউজ পেপার, পার্টিকুলারলি সেই দিনের মর্নিং নিউজ পেপার, রিড দ্য ফ্রন্ট পেজ অফ দ্য নিউজ পেপার ভেরি নাইসলি, because question can come from the newspaper. ঠিক আছে? So that is an obvious question that you can get in from that particular day. When for me, I did not get, so they asked me ki, what newspaper you read. I said Times of India. I remember very clearly. And they asked me like, what, like, are you following the news regularly? What is happening in the global market recession? So আমার time ওইটাই topic ছিল. So I spoke something about it, and that was apt. তো তোমাদের বেলাতেও এটাই হবে। এটা গেল তোমার তোমার উইথ রিগার্ড টু নিউজ পেপার। এবার যখন তুমি ঘরে ঢোকো না, দে অলসো ফলো ইউর ড্রেস কোড। তো দের ইজ এ ড্রেস কোড ফর অ্যান ইন্টারভিউ, ভেরি কেয়ারফুল। ড্রেস কোড কিরকম হবে? ফর বয়েজ, ফুল স্লিভড শার্টস, অফিসিয়াল শার্ট, ঠিক আছে, সিঙ্গেল কালার, অন সিঙ্গেল মানে যে কোনো লাইট শেডের কালার হবে, ডিস্কো কালার বা ওই গ্লিটারিং পার্টি ওয়্যার, নো, নাথিং লাইক দ্যাট। ফুল প্যান্ট, trousers, well polished black shoe, simple belt with a simple buckle. এটা হচ্ছে ছেলেদের কোড। For girls, either you can wear a sari, or you can wear salwar kameez, or you can wear if somebody is from Muslim background, they can wear something like hijab, a burqa, or whatever, like the dress code, but it should be sober dress. Dress should be neat and clean, dress should be tidy, dress should be well pressed, no creases. So এটা একটা বেসিক সেন্স তোমার ড্রেসে সেটা মেনটেন করতে হবে, and this is something which is definitely they're going to look out for. Not allowed dress, jeans, tops, fashionable shoes, এগুলো অ্যালাউড নয়। ইন্টারভিউয়ার মার্কস কাটবে, so be very clear and very careful. Like if I share my experience, I was actually wearing this simple dress, a light off-white shirt with black trousers and black shoes with a simple belt and buckle. And for me, like my interview experience, আমাদের মানে when we were having it in PSC, so we were actually made to sit in different rooms, and every room there was a CCTV camera that was like we were being observed. Even inside the like the boardroom where we were actually having our interviews, ওইখানেও CCTV camera ছিল, so every movement was actually monitored for checking on nervousness and everything. So this is something which happened with me. And for me, my interview lasted 5 minutes, and the basic questions were like this: what is your name? Tell us about yourself. You are appearing interview for a second time. What is your preparation level? Then there was a lady at the center, like the madam was actually the chairperson, I understood, and there were two professors on my right hand side, and one or another person was on the left hand side. Most probably he was a psychologist who was actually observing my skills. So total of there were 4 people in that one board actually. So 4 people, and you have to make sure that each and every person like gets settled. So when you speak, you actually have to be in a sincere way. You have to sit. You have to make your presence felt to everybody. Then the next after the ma'am finished her job, another officer actually inquired about me with economics and the other subjects about current affairs. Then another professor was there. Maybe I don't know, he was a professor or any senior member. He asked me about from accountancy, commerce, costing, and after that he moved on. And another person was there, like he asked me about some government schemes, and that's it. Within 5 to 7 minutes, my interview was over. But for many other people in that particular interview that day, it stretched on for like 30 minutes, for 40 minutes. But for me, there were 3 boards that day, and I was sitting in the third board, if I'm not wrong. And for me, my interview lasted for just 5 to 7 minutes, and that's it. So that's how my interview ended. So that was my experience, and like this was my second interview, and I cleared it in my second attempt. So all my best wishes to all the aspirants. So be very well prepared with general knowledge. Whatever things you had prepared for your exams, revise it very nicely. Revise your college level. Those who had done master degree, please refer to your master degree curriculum very nicely, and then go into syllabus, and then go into for this interview. This is actually a last minute preparation. I know there's a very short time. Within a few days you are going to have your interview. So please be very serious. So and I'm very much confident that this time you are actually going to do it in great. If not great, then definitely try and give in your best shot, and prepare well and stay focused.